My cellie died on a Friday. They didn't come for him till Monday. That isn't a movie line. That's a real quote from a real prison, and it's not the only one. In 2022, at Rikers Island, Idris Abdullah died inside a mental health unit. His body wasn't removed for almost a full day. His cellmate? Left inside, locked in a concrete box with a corpse. No explanation, no urgency. And this wasn't the first time. In 2023, at Hinds County Jail in Mississippi, an inmate died and wasn't discovered until he had already started decomposing. Inmates say the smell was overwhelming. Guards didn't come. No one responded to the banging on doors or the screaming. Then there's LaShawn Thompson, Fulton County Jail, 2023, died in a lice-infested cell. Photos released by his family showed a body barely recognizable. Fellow inmates claimed medical issues had been ignored for weeks. When he finally died, staff didn't act fast. They didn't remove him immediately. These aren't isolated incidents. They're a symptom of something bigger. Chronic understaffing, medical neglect, broken mental health protocols, and a system that sees inmates as disposable. Inmates aren't always allowed to leave the cell. But death? Death can sit with you for days. The stench, the trauma, the silence, all of it ignored. Some of these stories only came out because someone wrote a letter, told the truth, said, "I had to sleep next to a corpse." That's not punishment. That's torture. They aren't asking for sympathy. They're telling you what the hell goes on when the cameras aren't rolling. This is Voices Behind Bars. These are real stories from inside the system, some told by the living, some discovered too late. Like and subscribe if you think more people need to know.